Whoa! Hey, it's Ryan. If you enjoy my videos, you should subscribe, and I would appreciate that. In this video, we're going to go over user input in Python. This will probably be an even shorter video. I think I said it last time, but it was not very short. So this might be a short video, might not. I guess we'll see. So user input. Let me show you a very simple example. So we're going to do a variable. We're going to call it name equals. Okay, variable's name, and then we're going to equal that to input. And that right there is how you get user input. Now all we have to do is print out the name, and that's pretty much it. I mean, there's more I'll show you, but we'll just show you here. So name, boom. Now usually what you want to do is this. You want to add like a print statement that says like what is your name, so then people know like what they need to input. So when you do that, you can say Ryan or whatever your name is. Now it's a little different for strings, so we'll do age equals. Actually, I'm going to say that. I don't think it's going to be. We're just going to do age here, and we'll print out what is your age. All right, let's run this here. Okay, name is Ryan. Age is 28. Boom. Okay, now if you want to put these two things together, so if you want to do like, this is like a little program. Excuse me. So what is your name? And what is your age? And then we'll get rid of this. And we'll get rid of this. No, we want to keep that. Sorry, we've got to get rid of this. And we also need to get rid of this here, because it's redundant. And then when we put these together, we'll say print hello name. Let's see. Just trying to think of something to say here. Hello name. And we have to wrap this around a string for age, like we did in the variable tutorial, which I'll link either somewhere around here, either in description or in card. So we'll say poop. We'll say poop. Hello name. Oh, we'll just do hello name. Your age is. I feel like I'm a robot right now. I'm trying to speak human. Hello, Brian. Your age is whatever, 28. So we're gonna get name. We're gonna get age. Hello, Ryan. Your age is 28. Awesome. Look at that. If you followed along, you created your first little program that gets somebody's name and age. Not really useful, but it feels good once you do it and it's working. So there's user input. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.